good morning and welcome back to Poshcats Cabbie. I'm Trevor and behind me is our motorhome, the Swift Bolero 2017. And who's got the winter blues? It's the middle of January and we haven't been out since, well, for a fortnight in our motorhome. I've just come outside to do some winter checks. I've had some pretty heavy rain and some gales blowing through in the east of England here, and whilst I was out here I'd have a quick chat with you and tell you about a little ray of sunshine that I found. Over the Christmas period we've been spending quite a bit of time indoors, been watching YouTube as you do, and picked up a number of up to 100 or so new subscribers from across the pond. Yeah, that's the ray of sunshine I'm talking about. Who's heard of Naples? Well, not the Naples in Italy this time, Naples, Florida. Take a look at this.
Alright, good morning. Well, we are on the road again. We are going to have a meetup today. We're going to have a meetup with Camper Life, William and Jessica. And that is going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, it feels like it's about time, right?
Oh, it does. We haven't been on the road in a month, and I tell you what, I was having so much fun getting ready this morning. It felt like travel day, and I love travel day. Yeah. And what a way to start the new year out, you know, traveling. Wow, I like that. Here it is. And Happy New Year, everyone. Let's not forget that. Happy New Year, everyone. New Year. So, hey, and we will show some driving video along the way, too, so we'll see you all soon.
That's Bob and Debbie, BluWave Odyssey, and check them out. Go and have a look at their channel. They have a whole range of videos. They did a corner to corner USA trip last year, and they traveled from Florida in the bottom right hand corner to Portland in the top left hand corner of the United States of America. I've been on some of his live streams lately, and Bob is one of those ambassadors for all things caravanning and motorhoming, or travel trailers and RVs. Just the same, but there's more sunshine. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you on the next video.